It's always difficult to see a coin that the trading volume and the market cap are almost the same. As of the time of recording, the Terra Classic market cap is about $1.377 billion market cap, and the trading volume is about $1.328 billion market cap. That means just $15 million market cap is there. $1.328 billion is being circulating, buying and selling. People are trading. You can see Terra Classic is right now, people are investing, people are trading this coin as of the time of recording this. And it's a good start for the year, for the month. It's a good start for the month, sorry. And I believe that before the end of the month, something good is going to happen. But the truth is, I'm surprised to see that the market cap and the trading volume are almost the same. Last time that I checked, Terra Classic trading volume was just $166 million. And this happened for weeks and even months, that the trading volume is just $166 to $200 million. And right now we are talking about over $1 billion trading volume. This is amazing to see that Terra Classic is actually doing well. And I believe that in the nearest future, we might be seeing Terra Classic hitting $2-3 billion trading volume. Like I said before, if you can remember, those that have been following my channel, following my video, you know when I be talking about Terra Classic trading volume hitting $1 billion, that when that happens, it means Luna might be burning $50 to $100 million worth of Terra Classic on a daily basis, which is definitely going to push the burning rate of Terra Classic and the price of Terra Classic to go higher. And I think right now it is happening. All we need now is for Terra Classic to reach more market, to get more market cap in order to balance the trading volume of $1 billion trading volume. Okay, so let's hope for the best, and I believe that very soon Terra Classic holders will be happy, everybody will be happy. Once again, thank you for stopping by.